Hi guys, welcome back to Outdoors with Josh. I'm going to give a shout out to Rebel Angler for this hunt on reel, 7:1 gear ratio. I really do like it. You can throw baits a long ways. It's really smooth reeling. I can just brag about this reel. I've used it a lot. You can see it's got scuff marks and everything on it because I use it a lot. I really do enjoy it. Big shout out to them. And I'd also like to give a shout out to G-Man Fishing. They're a really good family show. You should check him out. He's on YouTube there. I really do enjoy it. Please stay tuned. Me and the brothers, I went fishing my brother's day. Really did enjoy that. We caught some hybrids and some catfish. Please stay tuned and watch the videos, guys. And thank y'all for the subscribers I do got and the views I do got. May Christ bless you all, and thank y'all very much. Yeah.
Ooh, there he is.
Hybrid. Yeah, that's a hybrid.
You need a net for that one? Hey, throw your bait over there behind me. Left.
Oh, down. You got it in there. I think it's the same brother. Hey, what's that for? He got that close. I'll show you close. Well, I can get those things later on. I get it. He goes on soap. He messed it before you got a little bit. You put it bring him on. Good God. Don't leave it. No, other ways. You got the last count one time? You got it in? Get out of these anyways. All right. Oh my God. Dang it. We get almost done. He just broke right down. I think I've seen it later sometime. Oh, dang. Let him go for that time.
Alright, brother.
I'm sorry, bub.
Just a second.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's a big one. Oh, great job, Josh.
Well, I didn't have him yet.
Yeah, you weren't paying attention.
Bring him over here.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Ooh, nice.
That's a 7-pounder.
Yeah. Fucking hybrids to them pieces.
Fuck them up, huh?
Yeah. There you go. Fuck them up.
All right.
Yeah, that's a better one.
Yeah, that's a real good one, bub. I thought that was. He did. See, he just picks them off.
Throw right up off the bow of the boat. Those
You
chasing
son
mine.
of a bitch, you told us to throw at the back.
Like, if you watch me, I'm constantly moving around. Look, there's two right there. See?
No, I know
Oh, I see,
exactly
yeah.
what you did. I know
Here, get up,
exactly
trade your places. Get up on the scope.
Oh.
Wherever that motor arrow points is where those fish are at.
All right.
Your depth is on the side.
I know exactly what you did.
That's about
Cast in the back.
20. He looking. That's crazy. There's quite a few right here. Just let it right to depth. They're about 25, I think. Another big one.
You got it?
All right, that last one's huge.
Don't.
Oh, Weskin nailed him one. Good one.
Just don't get in a hurry. This is a good one.
Yeah, you got a good one.
I caught him off my swim bait, Andy. Or my grub. Swim bait's on that run. Coming around, boys. Wiping it off.
Yeah, I told you, don't get in a hurry. If you rush them too much, you get up here and break the line. Oh, look at all of them. Good God.
Oh, shit.
You ready to move your left?
This guy is a lot bigger than I'm thinking.
Move to your left.
I am.
I'm gonna load up on one real quick. Josh,
Yeah?
grab that net, please.
him up here, bud.
Y'all gonna take it? I was waiting. Yeah. That's a
Good
nice
height.
one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Well, Andy, yours is still bigger.
And he got another one.
God damn it.
Unbelievable.
Just use the scope. You can move it all the way. You can have Adam. They're all up here, right there. Yeah. I'm about bored
Josh
with
has
these.
got one.
That was unbelievable. Crazily.
Oh, what a day!
Did you see him come up there? I don't know. I don't know if he's big as what y'all's are.
Watch your scope and get me nervous. Yeah, actually, just kind of cast out, just bounce it through there, Wes. And I bet
That's
you'll get
what
one.
I did on that one, because I was casting
You don't
out.
have to use the scope. I mean, well, it helps.
I'm going
but
to try to
help y'all. Nah, I got mine. Josh runs it.
Yeah, I'll get it. Don't worry, guys. Y'all fish.
So that one I caught was still bigger than that other one?
Yeah.
Oh God, yeah. Look at yours, Andy. That first one's huge.
Mine was close.
I want a picture double fisting those sons of bitches.
Yeah.
Watch yours be a drum.
It ain't.
Oh, look, what fucking little baby ass hybrid. Yeah.
It's about like y'all's. Don't get under the boat.
You probably don't catch a lot of fish because you get excited. He ain't gonna net him now.
That's about close to the same size as mine.
Yeah. I don't know. I think yours bigger, Wes.
Not by much.
All you need to do is remove the video and just have the audio. Oh, yours is part of it.
I think your second one you caught is probably going to be the winner today.
That was, I don't know, because you're level. That one Dad caught, was it 2 years ago?
We got full commitment to that one.
Yeah.
Hey, swallow
This
it.
one's little, guys. Like, this one's real little. Catfish.
Yeah, a little channel.
Just fish catching son of a bitch.
What are you doing out there, guy?
Being a fish. Being a fish, Josh.
A good eater right
My
here.
small one's a little bigger than Josh's. Okay, we'll have to move the ice around, bud.
Ah! Uh-oh.
I think we got plenty of fish on
We're good.
sexy straw hat up there catching fish.
Sexy straw hat.
Look at Wes go.
He scoped him.
He scoped that sucker.
Scoped him.
Honestly, I didn't.
Oh, I was,
Looking at
come
the
on.
here, I wasn't paying one damn bit of attention to that scope. Easy.
I'm just letting the boat pull my swim bait around.
That's why you're not catching.
We've each caught 2. Andy's going to get ahead. I think I might have win, so it's going to happen. I imagine. Mine wasn't near as good as y'all. He was okay. He wasn't like That's a beauty. Because my fucking, just listen to Andy, that was fun. Doing editing, using my board for myself, so. Huh? Alright. Yep. You can get position in a minute. I'm going to take her. Come on.
Yeah, I bought it.
I haven't. They die.
Good. Quit reeling on me close.
I'm not. Just waiting on this jackass to get the net over there.
I'll tell you who's a good netter.
On your shoulders and stuff. It's messing your neck.
That's what they told me because they checked mine because mine hurts sometimes and they said it's.
Get him?
Yeah.
He ain't very big.
No, he ain't very big at all.
Boy, he is not very big.
No, he's a little guy. Well, the way he hit it mean, so.
Well, he's, I mean, really, Josh. You finally catch a bass.
Bass ain't it?
He's bigger than bluegill. Big as.
Still there.
Y'all should get big.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so
He don't
that's.
feel very big, though.
No, I see no screen. It's off that stump.
Couldn't have called that in perfect.
He said it right when it happened.
So he's coming into him.
Probably blue because he just ran down straight.
Good grip of him right there in between that stump and that bush pile. 30
I snagged him in the tail. And that's why I ain't fighting. No, that's a channel.
You like them channels, don't you?
I'll eat
Second
them.
channel.
They're good to me.
I don't care for 'em.
Much difference to me. I don't think.
Oh, Josh, net, Josh.
Dang 'em. Was he coming up?
Oh, Josh.
That was a good fish. I don't think he's that big, though. I think he just acting mean. Nah, his ain't that big because he's already coming up. No, this ain't nothing like what you had. This a little. Huh? He's better than I thought.
Get another channel.
I'm good at catching channel. I've always, even on bridge, I can catch channel for some reason.
Solid set, Andy. Solid set.
There's a hard hit. Got him.
That's a little bit better than your last one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I don't know if he is or not, Bubba.
He's better than your last one.
Wild like him channel. He'll be another channel cat.
I bet you it is.
I think it is because they always fight real wild for a little bit.
Well,
No, that's actually a good one too.
about a 2.5, 3 pounder blue. I love that sound. That might have been the one that bidded mine and then went after Josh's because he couldn't fit it.
Very possible.
Couldn't fit mine in his mouth, Andy. He said, "Ooh, what a pig."